Somebody told me that this Aero Precision build was not a budget build. They said it's more on the higher end. I didn't think so. All right, listen. I will be the first to tell y'all that a 4.5-inch AR pistol is crazy. I know. You don't have to tell me. I know. That's why I got it. Now, to inform y'all, Bear Creek Arsenal did send me this 4.5-inch, but I am not in no way, shape, or form in cahoots with Bear Creek Arsenal. They do not tell me what to say on these videos. They do not send me these firearms, so I will give them a good review. They send me these firearms to do an honest review, and that's what we do on this channel. But this video right here is not a review. This is just a first glance at the 4.5-inch. This is just my first thoughts. I've never had a AR pistol this small. I think the smallest I got is a 7.5-inch. Never thought about having a 4.5-inch. They came out with one. I seen it. I'm like, I never had that. But then stuff happens. It's here. I got it live in the flesh. And I can honestly say I like it. I like it, man. I like it, man. It's just an eye catcher. If you take this to the range, it's gonna catch people's eye. Now, what we got up top, we got the Gideon Advocate, and I can honestly say this Gideon Advocate is probably one of the best budget red dots you can throw on your AR pistol or AR rifle. Now, it's not a normal red dot. This is a prism. Now, in short terms, what does this prism do? Its job is to make the reticle crisp and sharp for a large variety of eyes. Being that everybody's eyesight is different. Some people might can see, some people might can't see, but this optic will help you. So, check it out. Back to the small things. I know we're losing a lot of velocity. The velocity on this thing is probably equal to a 9mm now, but everything is still unalivable. I don't know why y'all be crying. The velocity is just way different, but it's still unalivable. If you look on Google or you look on YouTube, type in anybody getting hit with a 5.56 or a 223 out of a micro AR. Promise you, it ain't gonna look good. It ain't. But YouTube, let me clear this thing. 20 round mag. Booyah! Now I got let me see. I got 5 firearms from Bear Creek Arsenal so far. Now, it did not come with the brace. It did not come with the Magpul MOE grip. It came with the basic A2 grip and just the buffer tube. Not even a 6-position buffer tube. It just came with the one. I don't even think it had the pad on the back. It was just a buffer tube. But I went to my local pawn shop, picked this up for 20 bucks. Ordered a 6-position buffer tube. I already had this on my on one of my ARs. I took it off because I put a new one on there. I put them Kung Fu grips on all my other AR-15s that I use. Now, y'all want to see what that Kung Fu grip looking like? Y'all want to see what that Kung Fu grip looking like? Look at that. Nah, just all my AR-15, but it's sitting upwards in the safe, so I guess all the oil is coming back out of the thing. But them Kung Fu grips, bro. Go grab you about 2 or 3 of them things. Go grab you about 2 or 3 of them things, man. Now, they got a little plug for this thing and make the grip just a little longer. They sent this out to me before they came out with those, but I might go order some. But it doesn't really bother me. That thing feel good, bro. And somebody told me that this Aero Precision build was not a budget build. They said it's more on the higher end. I didn't think so. I say 900 to 1200 is budget for a quality rifle. You can find cheaper rifles that got quality to them. I got 3 AR-15s from Bear Creek Arsenal, and I can honestly say I haven't had a problem with them. Well, I haven't shot this one yet, but my other 2 AR-15s from Bear Creek Arsenal, I have not had a problem with. My other two ARs I haven't had a problem with. My two pistols, I got the 101 and the 102. Now the 101, the only problem I had was with the slide release. I don't know, the slide release is wonky on that thing. It just keep acting up. Now, the 102, it's a little better. These things are smooth too, bro. Look at that. No slide release issues. Now, I'll show y'all the problem I was having with the other one. I'm gonna also get that one out. Bam. Where's the... Bam. Show y'all the problem I'm having with the 101. Now, this is the 101. This is the 102. I don't even know if it's gonna act up today because I think I fixed it. But if not, let's see. This is the slide release. Watch this. Y'all see how that go back down with ease? Okay, I fixed it. It's just every time I shoot it, a couple hundred rounds, it'll bend. Like y'all see, it's digging into the frame. It was digging into the frame. Y'all can see that little bulge right there. It's not on that one. Can y'all see that? I'm not tripping, am I? I'm not tripping, am I? But it was bulging out, and I have to take the slide apart and bend it back so it won't lock. That was the only problem I was having with these. Well, with this one. Ooh, I don't know if I should do that on camera. Bam. We got the normal Bear Creek Arsenal flash hider. I feel like they should change these flash hiders because this is... I don't necessarily like the way this look. I think they should go with the normal flash hider that comes on the AR-15s. Because this one is just... I just feel like it's plain. It looked good, especially the chrome ones, but I don't necessarily like this one. I was gonna change it out for the chrome one, but I'm gonna just go shoot it first. Now I can't honestly say this is smoother than some of the other budget builds that I got. But does that mean it's gonna work? It doesn't. But you can't say this is not an eye catcher, bro. You cannot say this is not an eye catcher. I feel like they did their thing with this. We're gonna go have some fun with this. Now I was gonna get one of them super safeties and throw it in here, but I know it's not gonna work. I know it's not gonna work. I know the quality is probably not there. It's probably gonna blow the gas tube off and some more shit. But comment below, how do y'all feel about short micro rifles, short micro AR pistols like this? Do y'all feel like it's worth it? Yeah, no, maybe so. And one thing I want to say, a lot of things, well, most of the things in my gun collection, I don't take serious, bro. Like, I got about 3 guns that I would take serious. Everything else is just for content. Everything else is for range purposes. Y'all think every gun that you have in your collection, you're supposed to be able to carry. I want a musket. You think I'm going to carry a musket around? Do you think I would carry a musket around? Be for real. But I would just bring y'all this short little, first look at this AR-15. Without further ado, like the video, comment on the video. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. And also, we got another collab with Stifler Manufacturing. We're doing a G19 build, and they done sent over this SIG pink with the cuts. I done threw my JTT barrel in there. I'm finna throw a red dot on there. Now we finna do another red dot giveaway, so be patient. The first red dot giveaway it went smooth, but that was my first red dot giveaway, so I was really like, it wasn't fun to me. I just wanted to get it out the way because I've been said I was gonna do it. I got it out the way. Now the next one, I'm gonna take time on it. I'm not gonna do the little spinning wheel. I'm actually write names on a piece of paper, put it in the bucket, spin it around, and draw a name. I might draw 2 names. I might, because this company is sending me 2 optics. I don't know if I'm gonna keep both of them. I'm gonna do a review on one of them, but the other one I'm giving away. I don't know if I'm gonna give away the next one, but just stay tuned. We got more content coming. We got a lot to do, bro. We got a lot to do. Now, in the next couple of videos, I'm gonna show y'all what I got coming. I'm gonna show y'all the content I got coming. Ah, shoot. A Glock bullpup. Come on, man. Made in the USA. We got a Glock bullpup. Tell me this is not crazy. Tell me this is not crazy, bro. Tell me this is not crazy, bro. 16-inch barrel. Thinking about throwing a G-Flex in this thing. I do got my Glock 19 in there. But come on, man. Come on, man. ATF ain't got nothing to do with this. You feel me? This is what we got. This will be in the next couple of videos that I do drop. So stick around. Don't let me down. You feel me? Oh man. That's in the next couple of videos. But yeah, like I said, like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment for your boy. We out.